Alright, we got a 2011 Acura MDX and the backup light's not working. And the backup light is right here. So let's see if we can't figure out how to get that thing changed out. So the light is right here, so you kind of look down through here, and it's got to be right here behind this panel. And if you see right there, there's a little indentation. Take you a little, I got a little pick here. It just popped right off, and your light bulb is right there. And you just turn, I think on these, you turn them, yep, and it just comes right out. And there's your light bulb. So, and you just pull this light bulb, I believe, straight out. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Yep, straight out. And see if I can get another light bulb and put it back in. There we go. There we go. Kind of pops in there. And right back up in here and turn it, twist it just a little bit. Snug. And get our little there we go. All these newer cars are plastic, no matter what you do. That was easy enough. Alright, that's how you replace a backup light on a 2011 Acura MDX. Not hard to do. Anybody can do it. Just got to figure it out. Alright, just for general information, this is what I put in it. Sylvania 921. I'm not sure if that's what's supposed to go in it, but that's what I had, and it works, so that's what I put in it. Alright, y'all take care.